Okay, for homework 3-4, I'd like you to draw this best you can and the words that I'm having you do. So I'm going to have you rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. That is to the right like a clock, which means I'm going to take this triangle and rotate it 90 degrees to the right. To get that, I'd like you to write down the 3 coordinates for A, B, and C. A is 2, 3. B is 4, 8. And then C is 2, 8. If you do a reflection to the right, each of those points is going to flip, and then that one on the right, since I'm turning to the right, is going to become the opposite. So flip it and make that right one opposite. So 2, 3 becomes 3, negative 2. 4, 8 becomes 8, and then opposite that right one, negative 4. 2, 8 becomes 8, negative 2. So if I do my rotation 3, negative 2, that's going to be my new location for A. 8, negative 4. And the other one is 8, negative 2. That is after I did a 90-degree rotation to the right. The next step is to reflect that across the y-axis. Here's your y-axis right here. So you're going to go straight across this line, counting equal distance. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right here is going to be A double prime after 2 moves. C is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away from A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then of course B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is after the reflection. And again, I want you to notice this. When you do a rotation to the right, the coordinates flip and that right one becomes opposite. When you flip something over this y-axis, look at this point right here. Anything over the y-axis, the y numbers stay the same, but the x numbers opposited there. That always happens. Whatever axis you reflect over, that variable stays the same, but the other one gets opposited. And then I want you to translate left 4, right 3. And looks like I'm going to run out of space. So I'm going to make a little change on here. I want you instead to translate. Let's go just 3, 2. If you could make that change to the right 3, up 2, which means each coordinate I'm going to add 3 and I'm going to take away 2. Add 3 and add 2. So let's move this. Now I'm going to move it right 3, up 2. So if I move B right 3, up 2, this is going to be where the new B is going to be. B triple. C right 3, up 2 is the new C triple. And then A right 3, up 2 right here. And as you can see, that point A that used to be 3, negative 2, when I add 3 and 2 to it, gives me that new coordinate, which is negative 1, 0. Let's check my math on that one there. So adding 3. Oh, I see my mistake. That point right there, if that's right. What is going on there? What math did I do wrong? Let me see. Oh, I see what I did. I put that A in the wrong spot. What was I thinking? So A is really right 3, up 2, right here. There we go. Now my math adds up. Now, when I add 3 and 2, I get that new A triple point, which is 0, 0. There it is. Now my math adds up. So again, all these major movements, the rotation, the flip the reflection, and then the slide, the move. You need to be able to do that, and then you need to be able to understand what's going on with the coordinates. Turn to the right, flip it, make the right one opposite. Turn to the left, flip it, make the left coordinate opposite. Reflect over the y-axis, the y stays the same, x opposite. Reflect over the x-axis, the x stays the same, the y opposite. And then translations affects both x and y. All right, second and third word. We'll go second word is lion if I didn't say it. And my third word, let's say rhinoceros. There you go. Good luck. See ya next week.